Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset KitchenAid dishwasher. To reset a KitchenAid dishwasher, you may need to follow some steps. First of all, if your dishwasher is running, press the cancel button to interrupt the current cycle. This step ensures the dishwasher is not actively running any program. After that, you have to locate the dishwasher circuit breaker in your home's electrical panel or unplug the dishwasher from the power outlet. You have to ensure that the dishwasher is completely disconnected from the power to perform a reset safely. After that, you have to leave the dishwasher disconnected for about 5 minutes. After the waiting period, restore the power to the dishwasher by plugging it back into the power outlet or flipping the circuit breaker back on. Once your dishwasher has power, press and hold the heated dry button for about 5 seconds. Some KitchenAid dishwasher model may have different reset button or sequence, so if heated dry doesn't work, consult your dishwasher manual for specific reset instruction. After pressing the reset button, wait for the dishwasher to complete its initialization process. This may take a few minutes as dishwasher reboot and clear any error codes. Once the reset is complete, run a short test cycle to ensure the dishwasher is functioning properly. Hopefully this video will help you to reset your KitchenAid dishwasher. Thanks for watching.